Hello, if you wanna change keyboard theme in your Nokia 6.2, you have to open the settings for the first. And now we have to go to the system, click on the languages and input. And we have to select virtual keyboard, Gboard, and now there is our theme section. So as you can see, you can choose red. Also we can click on the show more. And as you can see, there's pink color, brown, black, but also there are landscapes, light gradient, dark gradient. So we can try this one, apply, and now when we go to the messages, for example, and we will try to use our keyboard, there's our currently theme that we set up. So thank you for watching, leave likes, subscriptions, and of course comments below.